Beeble bells,
No,
Beeble bells.
Rudolph the red.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you ever saw it, you wouldn't even say it glows. All the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names, like Pinocchio. Boom, the flower.
They never let poor Rudolph.
I want to do that on the
Well, you can see after you finish singing. They never let poor Rudolph
Rudolph puppies
join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
ho ho ho.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright,
What's your stop and poop?
no, that's not how it goes. Then how the reindeers left him, as they shouted out with glee.
Poop.
No.
Yes. Yes.
You'll go down in history.